XRP Ripple coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. This video is very important for all XRP Ripple coin holders because in this video I'm going to show you the latest update of XRP Ripple coin. Absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you're in the loss, and if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely you're in the profit, my friends. Let's see the price chart. Before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, because ABS Tech channel give you updates every time from a new cryptocurrencies news, friends. You can see here now on the screen, if we look the price chart of the XRP Ripple coin, so as you can see here in the last 1 hour the price is very complicated goes. You can see here this time falls down, after falls they again take a jump, again falls down, and now at this time the continuously process of the Cardano XRP Ripple coin start now, again take a jump. And my prediction is that after this again falls down and again take a jump, friends. That is the continuously procedure of the XRP and the last of month, friends. So my friends, my purpose is that it is the last of month and a lot of people want to buy XRP Ripple coin, and also a lot of people want to sell XRP Ripple coin, especially the short term investor going to sell XRP and the last of month, friends. So that is why the price is for some time falls down, for some time move upward, friends. So don't worry about this fast. That is the temporary fast. With the passage of time they will move upward, friends. And remember, my friends, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends, because at this time a lot of people want to buy XRP Ripple coin. So due to this, maybe there is chances to the price move upward, friends. Let's see, my friends, the more details about XRP. But don't forget to subscribe, my friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you parents, because I will update you every time from a new cryptocurrencies news, friends. You can see here, if we talk about the latest price of the XRP at this time, 0.9321 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the XRP. And if we talk about the opening time price of the XRP, so 0.8648 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the XRP. You can see here the lowest price is 0.8399 USD dollar, and the highest price is 1.059 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, they hit a 1 USD dollar in the 24 hours, and the average change occurred in the last 24 hours in the XRP Ripple coin as positive 7.78%, friends. So that is the latest update of the XRP Ripple coin. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.